Good morning. We are getting up, going for breakfast. We are wearing the same clothes as yesterday.
I'm wearing the same undies.
Nice. I heard it from the big dog. And
Big Bog?
big dog. And yeah, we're just gonna get breakfast, and then we've got a taxi picking us up at 11 to go to the airport, and then yeah, we're getting a flight to Iquitos. So we'll see you there. We're in the airport. We just had, I already said that. Just had McDonald's. I'm really stuffy in here for some reason. But we're just about to go through security, and then we've got half an hour before we board the flight. It's got to stop over somewhere, but it doesn't say where. So hopefully it's smooth. I got pat down, told me to take all of my clothes off, not literally. I lost my eyebrow scissors. Sad times. Sad times. Hi. So, we're going to Iquitos, and we're in Terramado? Pudo? No, there's no M. It was a P. Tara something. No, it's not that. It's not. And so we just stopped, and they're like, oh, if you're going to Iquitos, just stay on the plane. So heaps of people are getting off, and we're staying on, which is weird. It's like a little bus. Yeah, so halfway through.
Oh, so we land, we drop a few people off, and we take off again.
I am not ready for this bullshit that we call the Amazon. There was like a beetle, this lady just turned over the right way so it could... Okay, so anyway, this bloody beetle thing just flew into the air. It was huge, made a really big noise, and I'm just not cut out for the insect. We've arrived. This is our hotel room. We've got breakfast included tomorrow. We're probably just gonna go get some food somewhere. The Wi-Fi is shocking, so Hannah's having a meltdown because she can't talk to Gino.
I just want to say, talk to you in a few days. That's all I want to say.
Is that actually what you're having that meltdown about?
I'm trying to send a message to Dad. But I also would like to send a message to Gino. Just like you'd probably like to send a message to Tom. So we're not all gonna have.
Sure.
Yeah, exactly. No.
I can still message.
Yeah, but my point is.
You can message Gino. I've got him on Instagram.
Okay.
How's your phone not work?
I don't know. It won't even connect.
Did you
Yes.
do the time?
Yes.
So anyway, we're gonna go get some food and then shower and then sleep, and we get picked up at 9 AM tomorrow to go to the Amazon jungle for 4 days. Amazon adventure, and be prepared to see us in exactly the same outfits for the entire 4 days, because you know mosquitoes come first to fashion. Yeah, we will see you in the Amazon.
The what?
Spray.